Well, it's almost overwhelming to see you all here. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a great pleasure to be here. Je regrette. I studied French for 6 years, but it was only to write it, so I don't know how to speak it, unfortunately. The only thing I remember how to say, which of course has no relevance whatsoever, is "Je peux que ce soit la grippe," and that's not, useful. Anyway. It's one of those very lifelong things, is to learn languages and to be able to communicate better with people in their own language. So tonight I will not speak very much. We'll let the music speak for itself. See? What a grin. As many of you know, I've used the Celtic history as a creative springboard, and I discovered in '91 that the Celts were this vast collection of tribes that had migrated across Europe, including into Asia Minor. Thank you. And so the music you're going to hear tonight reflects that journey from Ireland straight through to Turkey and eastern parts. This next piece comes from Ireland. It's a traditional piece. The Celts had a great passion and love for the natural world, and not the least of which was for trees. And this song focuses on the sentiment of the loss of a tree. It's called Bonnie Portmore.